Hey guys, I'm going to do a Rubik's Cube solve. So, I'm going to scramble the cube up. Okay, that should be enough. It's completely scrambled. Okay, so with my timer, I'm going to see what time I get. Yes! My fastest time. 23:60. Yes. It's a good time. I'm gonna do a baby scramble. And I'm probably gonna get like a 6-second slow for this. So it looks pretty scrambled. I think it does. Oh, see how long. Okay, so that was a 7-second solve, but it was not a real scramble. Okay. Five-second solve. Trying to get 4 seconds. This baby scramble. Okay. Last time. No, last try. That's a 5:65. Damn it. 5:03. Okay. 5:46. This is just a fake scramble. Yes! First 4. Whoa! Yes! 4:41. Bye, guys.